The fact that yesterday Indian markets ignored the GAR push, to my mind, that just exposes the inherent weakness. Also, if I look at the global mood, global equity markets are looking slightly toppy and rusty. Volumes have dried up. Catalysts or triggers are not there. So it's going to be very difficult to really generate upside momentum if we don't get a clear directional sense from ECB or from US Fed. So Nifty is struggling to stay above 5400. Foreign institutional investors are buying, but their commitment has dried up, and the near term valuations are also priced to perfection. So there are multiple headwinds for Indian markets, and for sure those headwinds will cap the upside for Indian markets, at least for benchmark indices. A flat start, I'm not surprised, because Asian markets are also going nowhere. So 2 point down for the Nifty, point down for the Sensex, 35 points down now for the Sensex, 7 points down now for the Nifty. You want to start with autos, because auto stocks yesterday held out despite poor August dispatches. 1664 for Bajaj Auto, 1796 for Hero MotoCorp. Maruti is holding at 1160. Now let's look at Kane India and OMCs. Kane India, it's a no-brainer buy because oil prices are at a 3-month high. Dollar also has appreciated against the rupee in last 2 or 3 trading sessions. Kane India is holding on 343 rupees. Now let's look at Ranbaxy. Ranbaxy this year has appreciated by about 40% plus. And on the flip side, in terms of weakness, metals, within metals, steel, and then non-ferrous. Tata Steel, JSW Steel, and then SAIL. Steel stocks are really coming under pressure. SAIL has lost 2%, JSW Steel has lost about 5 rupees, SAIL is now flat, it's at 76. Hindalco and Sterlite, what's the picture there? No fireworks. Hindalco is at 103, could go below 100 rupees, you never know. Sterlite has already plunged before 100 rupees, even though the valuation argument for metals is quite compelling. But if you look at the global environment, China is slowing down, demand will come down, and I think that is a big baggage for commodity stocks in the near term.
Ashok Leyland has been reacting positively to its monthly sales figures, so it's a good 2% move that you're seeing for Ashok Leyland, holding out pretty well. 21 is where the stock is right now. Just want to see what the ADAG names are up to, considering they've got their AGM today, so the entire basket is in focus. Reliance Communications, Rel Capital, Reliance Infrastructure, they've started off in the green ahead of the AGM today. We've also got Tech Mahindra, which is set to buy out the Indian BPO arm of Hutch for $100 million. So watch out for that one as well. And United Spirits continues to be in news, close to a 49% stake sale in White & Mackay. That is what the newspaper reports are indicating. So USL puts on another 3% now in trade, in 1,000+ levels is where United Spirits is actually on. Deccan Chronicle, that as well is one strong contender this morning. The stock has started off a good 5% in the green, although it's a really small base stock. But the Sun Group has entered in race to acquire Deccan Chargers, which is part of the Deccan Chronicle group. So Deccan Chronicle has started off well in the green right now. We've also got Karur Vysya Bank, which has cut the base rates by 25 basis points. Meantime, South Indian Bank, the QIP book has been launched. They're looking to raise about 442 crore rupees. And South Indian Bank starts off marginally in the green after a good performance in yesterday's session. Just want to revisit what the market breadth as well is up to and bring up the advanced decline ratio for you. And well, the advance decline pretty much neck to neck, you would have to say, with just about the advances taking over the declines marginally or so. I
just want to point out power players also, especially especially those companies which have been named in the CAG report. So JSPL 343, Tata Power also, no price action. Reliance Power also very flat. That's Tata Power for you, sub 100 rupees. Followed by Reliance Power, which is at 76 rupees. I also want to check Monitor Ispat, and then finally Bhushan Steel. That's Monitor Ispat for you 291, and Bhushan Steel is at 462. So 16 points down for the Sensex, 3 points down for the Nifty. This is in line with what Europe has done last night and what Asian markets are doing this Tuesday morning.